you will never get it now. You will never get the secret stone of nature. I need to get this to HQ quick. You go nowhere, ninja. No, the stone's rolling. We sent White Ninja for the secret stone, but he hasn't come back. What do you want us to do, Green Ninja? Get in those cars and we'll drive over there. We need to get there now. Let's take the jet. We're gonna take off. Where are those good guys? We need to fight. We need to get higher for the grappling hooks. Hey, grappling hook. Well, the grappling hook took it to the tree. We threw the grappling hook, and now we have to go across. Hey, the good guys are over there. Let's get them. Hey, look over there. It's a secret stone. That stone is mine, Rodillo. Master! Hey, Master! Alright, what's wrong? Get out of here. I'm your little friend! I need to get the super stone. Master, he's trying to get the stone. Let's go. I'll get the stone so I can be more powerful. He's right there. We need to combine for the combo kick. We found it! We got the stone. My truck's down here. Let's bring it back to headquarters.